first vlog. I am Cherry Jane, but you can call me Jane for short. But if you don't care, just don't mind it. Today, I will show you how to cook a simple hard-boiled egg. Really, a simple hard-boiled egg. But before that, I just want to remind you that stay at home po as long as possible. If the destination was not very important, please don't go outside if needed. We need to be careful. At the most, keep on praying po. And to those going outside, please keep doing physical distancing, always wear your face mask, always wash your hands, or use hand sanitizer if water are not readily available. And I hope that this pandemic will end soon. By the way, do you cook hard-boiled egg every single time? Or do you eat hard-boiled egg? I guess so, because it's good for your dietary, right? The big problem is, do you spend more time when you're doing it? Don't worry guys, because today, I will teach you how to cook a simple, perfect hard-boiled egg in a few minutes. Are you ready? Let's do this!